Suzuki Vstrom 1050 XT, bike build number 4. The installation of this AliExpress rad guard. Now, you'll need a 10mm spanner, and they're located on the top of the radiator. There's two nuts. There's on the left hand right of the engine mount. So the left hand side you're going to have to take off completely. The other one, just back it off so it's just loose. And the lower side of the rad guards just should clip on. Okay, I'm going to put this on the tripod so you can see what I'm doing. We'll see if this works. How's that angle? Okay, camera angle. Okay, so we hook the left hand side on first, and this one, well, maybe it has to come off. And okay, it goes. Give me a look. Is this going to work? Okay, not the easiest to fit on. There's other things in the way. You got to bend the tabs just a little bit. Not bend them, but why isn't it going on? Let's go to the other side. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, lift the other tab over. Okay, you just got to kind of fight it to get it on. Okay, let's go to the other side and check it. And the difficult bit, is getting this spanner into this area. Might have to try something else. The problem with the person that designed this, they've left a little space to tighten it. I don't know why the bottom's not fixed down, which I find odd. what I don't like is that. So I'm going to have to look at a solution as to why. I wonder why they didn't do that. I might slip some double-sided tape just to keep it compressed and in position. Like the top's not going to move anywhere, that's vertical. It's just this back and forth of the butt base. Oh, I'll test it. I'll test it when it's riding. I'll get the camera. Let's have a closer look. So it slips in. It's hard to film. Can you see it? Which nut was it? There's the nut, sorry. Very difficult to film. But it looks good. It's got the V-Strom logo. And it says how many cc's. So that concludes the video. Pretty simple install and a simple way and a cheap way to protect your radiator on the V-Strom, especially if you go off dirt roads and stuff like that. There you go. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.